My ESC was not getting enough power. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Check it out, we're getting more and more professional by the week. Look at this, look at the fleet now. The Truggy is ready to go, so I'm going to take it out for the very first run now on the track. It's never been run yet, I just got all the electronics done in it. Ready to go. On the worn out hole shots, but we'll give it a try. See what it's like. All right, let's go see. Whew, she's got some power. Alrighty guys, this will be the first run of the Truggy on the track. Here we go, first run of the Truggy. She's wet, she's loose. What? Why is that all the power I've got? Which I'm surprised at because it balloons the tires a lot. Oh, maybe that's battery fading out. I'm thinking it's more of a power related problem because I'm running this new Gens Ace Redline, which has 5mm bullets, and I'm using a conversion down to 4mm. And then I've just put a new 4mm bullet on here, but I didn't spread them out, so now I have. So I think it'll get better contact, because when I was just revving it on the bench, it's like it's dumping, like it's not getting power, not that it's gearing. So I'm going to try this out with just a slightly better contact between ESC and battery and see what happens. We're going to go out now with the Truggy and see if it actually is geared properly, or if it was a battery problem. Thank you.
Oh, the new Truggy.
Yeah, we're trying. Still have some bugs to work out.
How many subscribers do you have?
Almost 20,000 now. Just
I only have 11.
yeah, it takes a while. All right, this feels slightly better. There, that's better. It was just a power problem. So my battery was not getting, my ESC was not getting enough power. Whew, she's loose, boy. That gearing's super loud. Oh, I can't stop. All right, we're good to go for qualifiers and runs. I just got to charge up the batteries, and definitely not ideal tire. I gotta get the proper tires, but this was a good first step. It's a good way to clean your tires off, by the way. Hey guys, this will be the first race ever with the Truggy, and running on some borrowed tires. These are the Proline Scrubs, and the rear are Panthers. They hold up surprisingly well, certainly better than the midi pins. So we're going to go out for a main with short course trucks because there isn't enough Truggy, so we're going to race with short course. I'm up against all the trucks. While you may think that's unfair, this truck in particular is very fast. Overall faster laps than I was doing the whole time. Like the short course trucks are certainly, I thought there would be a big difference. I thought it would be significantly faster than the short course, but it's not true so far. Let's go out, have some fun. All right, we're pulling up in the number 2 spot now. We'll see how I do against all the trucks. There was another Truggy running today, but you guys didn't see it, so maybe next time we'll get a full Truggy race going. Be cool with stadium trucks.
All right, marshals, remember about your corners. Drivers, we're going racing in less than 5. All right, here we go. Another nice clean start here to short course. Okay, let's jump in and get inside. Keep them on, take it right back, leave on.
That's all right, go, go, go. Just go, just go. Don't wait, I'll catch up. That's fine.
All right. Here we go. Oh, no, Liam is all the way up to the 2 spot. Oh, no, the super fast for Trey, Lee,
Kind of curious if I can reel them in.
coming up over the finger now. Lee's going to try to get the inside line on the front, see if he can get it done, but John Kennedy's right there, and Leo's coming. Whoa, Lee looks to the inside of the end line. Oh, here they go side by side. Off room, off Trey Wilson corner. He looks to the inside of the end line, off room. Oh, he goes off and off the numbers. Oh, here comes John Trey and his dad. They're all over each other. Short race.
Go.
John Kennedy in there. Trey takes the fight. He goes wide. Oh, no. And they sorted themselves out. Oh, Trey made a mistake. He followed up with a mistake.
Wow, we are surprisingly even.
Not hit by. Oh no, Ward's in the construction zone. Ward's running. There's the lead. John Kennedy, your leader, going through the beginning now. Lead in the number 2 spot. Trey in the lead. And Liam and Ward. John Kennedy, still your leader. Lee trying to keep him honest. We'll check the gap this time. There's 2 seconds last time. This time, the lead closes up a little bit. So there's a minute and a half to go. So we're inside. Training starts with 11 seconds of that now. Leaders on the straightaway, 1 and 2. Check the gap this time, guys. Got 1.9 seconds different than 1 and 2. It's close. Country rock hill. Looks like John might have put a little bit of a space in there this time around. We'll share it around when we flip the pipe. Back 4.9 seconds with 30 seconds to go. Lee's going to be a little helpful in this one. Although at the point, he is going to win this one.
That's what I was wondering about, if I should yield so you get the points, but as long as they're going to separate them, we're good.
John Kennedy, Lee, Trey, Liam, and Ward, and round of the field. Dave's got himself a 6-second lead there now. When you cross the line, you'll be done. Trey, gonna come across, take the 3rd overall position. You are done. Your winner, John Kennedy. You are done. Ward's gonna take over another 5 spot. You are done. Lee in a hard spot now.
Good run, Lee. That shot's a fast truck.
Those tires?
Are those my tires? Those were the J Concepts ones?
No, that's
The raw speed. Nice. Good race.
Yeah, good race.
Right on, guys. So that's a win. First race ever out with the Truggy was a win. Right on. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. What a weird looking thing, eh? What a weird looking thing.